we are in Xativa, and I think that's the way you pronounce it, Xativa. And we are having breakfast at the moment, and today I have Magdalena with me, and Magdalena has volunteered to do the pushing in the chair today. Helen has family staying with her from England, and so she's not available. So Magdalena has very kindly offered, but she got coerced to come anyway. So but she said yes when I asked, so that was good. And we're just having a tostada and a coffee, and then we're going to crack on. And Xativa is quite a famous place. It has the two Borgia popes that came from here, and it's a beautiful old town. They do say in the internet, or on the internet, that it's very good for food. So if you're a food connoisseur, they reckon that Xativa is one of the places you should come. And all through the year they have festivals, like a lot of these towns do, of course. And Moors and Christians, and don't forget they have the castle as well. They have Xativa Castle, which is quite famous. Unfortunately, with the chair, it's very awkward to get up there, so we're forgetting about that today. But maybe later on in the year, once I've had my operation, if I ever have my operation, then we can come back. But today we're going to stick to the town because it's quite flat, and we can get around, and we can show you what it's all about here. But it is a very, very nice place. So we're going to finish our breakfast and we're going to crack on. Okay, so we'll catch up later. Okay, bye, ciao. So we are today, Thursday the 30th of May, and we are in Xativa. And Xativa is inland from Valencia, and certainly a place well worth coming. It's apparently, I read that the cuisine here is absolutely superb and well worth coming for. So if you like your food, then definitely you should come along and try this place out. And famous things here are the fact that the two Borgia popes actually lived here, and also they have Xativa Castle, and the castle is well worth visiting. I've been there in the past, not for a long time, but I have been there, so definitely worth going to. So yeah, there's just a few things to get on with, and we're going to show you around. And then today I've got Magdalena, who is helping me with the chair. She's pushing me today. Helen has got family staying with her, so she's not available for a couple of weeks. And Magdalena has volunteered to come and help me push, and to make sure that we keep getting new videos sent out for you every Wednesday. But don't forget, if you do like all the stuff that I'm putting out, please subscribe. It's all free. It doesn't cost you a penny to be a subscriber. And there's over 400 videos on my YouTube site. So plenty of stuff to watch. And it's all on Spain, nothing else. It's all about Spain, anything that's associated with Spain. So please go on and subscribe. And you'll be doing me a big favour, because without subscribers, we are nothing. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, thank you. Right, today we have Magdalena with us.
Hello, how are you? Good morning all.
Push the chair for me, which is very brave, because it's quite warm now. We came in this morning, we're in Xativa, it's the 30th of May, and it is very warm. It's 26 degrees as we come in, so we need to try and keep out the direct sun if we can, otherwise Magdalena will melt. So, but you've got a picture of her and I, and obviously the way we're walking as well, so I thought that would be more interesting than just the picture of her and I. So that's what I've done. So, but you're getting a lot of the top of my head,
which is not, which is not brilliant, you know. But I'll try and adjust that. There you go. That's a bit better anyway. So we need to get Magdalena, and as you know, she's the pretty one and I'm the ugly one. So, but anyway, we're going to show you around and show you all the town as much as we can, and we hope that you enjoy it. We have a beautiful views along here of all these trees. I mean, it does look very, very pretty, and they're in. I would say they're in full bloom now. I mean, especially in May, I would think, wouldn't you? But it does look absolutely lovely. So we're right in the middle of the old town now, and you have some beautiful buildings. You have the police station here to my right, which is there, and then you've got these all these old buildings that have obviously been refurbed at some stage, and which are all looking lovely. And this is where you want to head for. There's more sort of going on here than anywhere else, so definitely need to head for this part of the town.
A small avenue in the old town of Xativa,
See,
very near of San Francesco Street, and we are crossing many stores, many people, many bars.
yeah,
Have all this time, how all?
there's all kinds of shops here, isn't there?
Oh yes, and have a good weather because it's hot.
Yeah.
29 grades, but have a windy time.
Yeah.
And fresh.
Yeah. Yes, it's certain the temperatures have certainly jumped up, haven't they?
Oh yes, it's good temperature to be here.
Yeah.
Because it's hot and fresh in the same time with the wind.
It is. The wind is actually quite cooling.
The wind help us.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that does cool you down a little bit, doesn't it?
Oh yes. Have a beautiful store. It's a very beautiful town and very beautiful stores. Every kind of stores.
Yeah.
Hotels, bars, many places.
Yeah, there's more shops here than I
Small
remembered.
Shops, very beautiful small shops.
We've got a square of some sort coming up at the end. Somewhere maybe to have a drink.
Oh yeah, we need it.
Yeah, we need to keep hydrated
Yeah.
in this these temperatures. I think a lot of the shops are beginning to close now. It's getting sort of 1 o'clock-ish. I think a few of them might be closing for a siesta.
Comida y siesta.
Yeah.
Food and sleep for a while.
So we're off up to another street now. The other one wasn't very successful. We really came to a nowhere place. But we've come along this other one now, and we're going to explore this and see what we can find. Let's go left here, I think. Yeah, let's go left here. This looks okay. Looks like there's... I mean, the shops are closed now, unfortunately, so we're not going to get to see anything inside any of them. We have a bridal shop here. Lots of bridal grounds. And there's another one on my left as well. So this must be the street for getting married in. So there's another big shop here. Chamon. Is that Chamon?
Oh yeah.
Chamon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely, beautiful dresses.
Beautiful,
Look.
beautiful.
Yeah, look at the colour of that one at the back.
Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it?
Oh, lovely color.
Lovely colour.
Oh yeah. Beautiful store.
Yeah.
Beautiful dresses.
So, yeah, so this is a bit different. There are lots of shops that are empty, and I think that goes back to the pandemic, I think a lot of places never reopened, and they've stayed that way since, I think. But a lot of the buildings have got lots of flower and plant displays on them, which looks quite nice. You look in front of me now on the left, you can see them all draping down, which I think looks quite nice on the outside of the buildings. And you know, we're going past lots of little, you know, alleyways, but they, as I said before, they all look pretty much the same, so I'm not going to bother to video those. But that particular street's got lots of things in it. So, and this is the old town. So if you want to come and look yourself, there's a lot going on, Magdalena, isn't there?
Oh, it's so beautiful street, very small, but so beautiful. It's incredible. It doesn't have many stores in a small place.
Yeah,
Very beautiful restaurants.
yeah.
And a special hams store.
Oh, yeah.
A Spanish ham.
Yeah.
A very special, and in Spain only can prepare it here in Spain. Pata negra ham.
Yeah, that was
It's,
incredible.
Oh, it's incredible. Bars and restaurants.
I mean, that the inside of that ham shop was lovely, wasn't
Oh
it?
yeah, ham shop is incredible, and wines,
Yeah.
wine shops.
Yeah, yeah. So it's quite a busy area, that one.
Oh yeah, very busy area. It's Thursday and many people here.
Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of people that that were here, were shopping, and now they've obviously gone home.
This building
Yeah.
is a beautiful principal building in the city.
Yeah. I mean, they have several parks here, don't they?
Oh, several.
You know, very, very nice parks.
Yeah.
And I see they've got a fair or something over there to the left as well. But yeah, it's got everything here, really, hasn't it? And you've been here before, haven't you, on visits?
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful place. Before I was in the mountain in the chalet.
Yeah.
Very beautiful views from to the castle and all the town, all the old town.
Yeah. And you came by train from Valencia, did you?
Here we have a train station.
Yeah.
It's so easy to come from many towns.
Yeah.
From Valencia center in the railway.
It's only 70 kilometers from Valencia to here.
Too far.
No, so you could drive if you've got a car, or come by train,
Oh yeah.
or by bus.
Oh yeah.
I would imagine the bus comes here. So, but the architecture here is it sort of it spans from various centuries, from the Romans to the Arabs and to the Christians. So it sort of spans right across, really. So you know, it's quite incredible. And as I said previous, the Borgia family have connections here. This is where they had a house, and the two Borgia popes lived here. And I'm not sure if they grew up here, but they lived here. You know, they are connected to Gandia as well, because they have a house in Gandia, and we were trying to get there as well at some period of time, so we can look around the house, because apparently it's supposed to be very, very beautiful. And I think, you know, all in all, I think you need to go to the historic centre to enjoy it more. I think, not on the outskirts here. And also, you need, you know, it's worth going to the castle. The castle, just so you know, is open from Tuesday to Sunday, from 10 o'clock till 6. And in the summer, they open till 7. And it's only €2 to get in. So that is very, very cheap.
So that's got to be worth coming to check that out. So we're back off having our drink, and we're now wandering up the middle of the town, and we'll see what else we can find. I think we've explored quite well today. A lot of the old streets are pretty similar, so once you've done a couple of them, really you don't really need to do many more. And but we're wandering up the top half of the town now, and it does change quite a bit up here. It's very warm. It's very warm. Sat in this chair, it's it's crept up to 32 degrees now, and you can really feel the difference. And they tell me on the internet that this is one of the warmest inland towns there is. It gets very, very hot here in the summer. They record top temperatures in this town in the summer. So if you don't like the heat, you don't want to be coming here in August or July, I don't think. But we're going to have maybe a wander down one of the little streets and see if there's anything new that we can find. It's gone quite quiet, funny enough. Now it's got to that time. It's 5 to 2 in the afternoon, and of course people are now closed up their shops, and they're either sitting in a bar or they're at home resting, ready to come back to work for 4 o'clock. So that's what they do, and with the heat, you can understand that, because you really, if you're working outside, it must be terrible. But on the inside of a shop, of course, most shops have got aircon, and it's not so bad if you've got air conditioning. You can stand any kind of heat outside because it's so lovely inside. But yeah, so we're wandering down this particular street. Whether we'll find anything or not, I don't know, because it's I've never been down here. There's a lot of empty shops on my left that all say Savende, which is they need new occupiers. But as I say, I don't know what we're going to find at the end, but I'm sure we'll find something. So we have the castle up there, right on the peak, and as I said before, we're not going up there today, but in the future we will go up there, but not today, not with the chair. It's impossible with the chair. So, but we look forward to that later on in the year, hopefully.